Hi, this is Dansoy Amateur Cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is a follow-up recipe to the pizza sauce that I made, the fire roasted pizza sauce. So we're going to make a supreme pizza that is common on the East Coast of the USA and Canada. It's one where you have sausage, pepperoni, peppers, and you can add even more stuff like olives and everything. So it's all up to you. But where I live, the Supreme has a couple things. So we're going to make a rustic white, thin and crispy pan pizza. With this recipe, you can make it in the oven or on your grill. With me, with my limited space, I'm going to use my pan with garlic butter. Where I am right now, it's really hot. Summer won't give up. It's September, but we're still getting 90 degree weather. So I'm going to make this in the pan and show you that it can be made quick and easy. So for today's recipe, we have that fire roasted tomato pizza sauce. Like I said, here's the rustic white, thin and crispy pizza crusts. That'll fit perfectly in my pan. I have red pepper, yellow, green. I have pepperoni. And I have sausage, pork sausage, that I cooked up today to make this recipe faster. So in this pan right here, I'm going to use garlic butter. Feel free to make your own garlic butter, but for me, it's a lot easier just to buy because I'm always on the go. And this thing costs $3, and this butter will last actually to mid-October. So we're going to start by putting garlic butter in this pan. Open the pizza crust and put it in there, and we're going to warm it a little bit on the bottom and on the top, and then we're going to add all the ingredients. Be back. Alright, so we have the garlic butter in there. We're going to move that around so it coats the pan. We have it on low. Adjust the flame to your cook. All stoves are different. And then we're going to take this thin and crispy pizza crust, and we're going to throw it in the pan with this butter, and we're going to lightly toast the bottom. And if you want, you could toast the top, the surface you're going to cook on. It's all up to, the surface you're going to put the pizza ingredients on. It's all up to you. All right, YouTube and Facebook. Here's that rustic pizza crust. You get actually 2 of these. So you can see the bottom right there, and here's the top. I'm going to actually put that in my pan. And you can see that. I'm actually going to try to warm both sides. Sorry, like a lot of people say you should edit your videos, but I want to keep this real. And I don't like to edit. If I make a mistake, I make a mistake. So I'm going to do my best. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please hit subscribe, hit the bell. We'll get a couple updates each week. And let's get started. We're going to just warm this on both sides. If you have to, use the cover. And then after that, we're going to put the pizza sauce on and all the ingredients. And we're going to put the top on, the cover on, and we're going to just mold it all together with heat and steam. Alright, so you can see with this pizza sauce, not pizza sauce, with this pizza crust, I browned it on the one side, and I'm going to move it over on the other. So this will make a really thin, crispy pizza. Alright, so the next step is start building the chunky sauce on top of the pizza. So I know some people like a thin layer. Use whatever is best for you. So you're going to want to put on and spread it on there. I have the heat off for right now. But if you want, put it on a pizza stone. And put it in the oven or put it on your grill. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we have the fire roasted tomato sauce on that rustic pizza crust. Be free to use your own dough, make your own dough, or buy whatever pizza crust you want. It's all up to you. And this is what I mean about live recording. I forgot to show the pizza cheese before. So we're going to take this cheese, and we're just going to start spreading that together. Spreading it on the pizza. My timing is off today, sorry. It is a long day. So just start spreading that. You don't have to cover every bit. Then after that, we'll put the peppers on, sausage and pepperoni, and we'll put the cover on and we'll bake it. If you weren't doing this in the pan, making a pan pizza, you could also put it in the oven like I said, or on your grill, or even use a cast iron pot. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we have the cheese on there. And the fire roasted sauce is underneath. You can put on a lot of cheese, not that much. It's all up to you. So the next thing we're going to do is take some of these peppers, and either you can dice them up and throw them on top of the pizza, or you can put pepper rings on there. So take some of them, put it on top. Then after that, we'll toss some sausage on there and pepperoni, and then we'll put the cover on. Alright, so I got the green pepper. I decided to dice it up. So just spread it throughout the pizza. Actually, the pepper would be really good if you bake this or put it on the grill. So we'll go to the next peppers. And after that, we'll go to the meat. Alright, so we're done now. We're going to take this yellow pepper and the same thing. Spread it throughout the pizza. Put on as much as you want or as little as you want. So next we'll go to the red one. Alright, so we got the red pepper done now. So take that on your pizza and spread it throughout. Alright, so we're done with the peppers. Now we're going to take the sausage and just spread it throughout the pizza. So just do that, and then we'll add the pepperoni, and then the cover goes on, and we're going to cook away. Alright, so for the final step, we're going to take this pepperoni, and we're just going to place it throughout the pizza. If you like extra pepperoni, that's fine. So just spread that throughout, and then after that is done, you can actually like put some garlic powder on there, some minced garlic, or whatever you want. And we're going to put the cover on, and we're going to cook this. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, you can see that pizza is made. And that's how you make a homemade pan pizza. Now we're going to put the cover on, and we're going to put the stove between low and medium. So you're going to have to watch this. You're going to want the cheese and pepperoni to go into the pizza, and you're going to have to really watch this. This is the first time I'm making this, so I'm not really sure if you should keep it on low or medium. Just adjust it and don't step away. Like, this won't take long to cook, so be back for the final piece. Alright, this is a little bit harder than I thought, but it's going pretty good for a new thing. You can see that everything is cooking. I've been adjusting the stove between low and medium. You really have to watch it. Right now I have it on low. I took a fork and went around, and we're almost there. So you're going to want to cover it up, and you're going to have to use your judgment about how long it's going to take. My personal opinion, it's going to be like 4 or 5 minutes to cook this, but you have to watch it. Alright, so you can see that that's almost done. See how that spatula under there? And you can just turn this pizza around. We're almost there. We're just going to cover it up, and we're almost done. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, I have this on low. I turned it a couple times, and you can see that the cheese melted and the pepperoni got greasy. You know that's almost ready. So I'm only going to give it a couple more minutes. I probably used a little bit more cheese than I should have, but I love cheese. So we're almost there. So the final step, the cover for like a minute with it on low, and then we'll be done. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're done. There's your supreme pan pizza. We have the cover off now, and I'm going to put a slice on a plate, And that's how you can make a pan pizza, a supreme. If you want, you might want to use a different pizza crust. If I could do this over, I probably would have used a little bit thicker crust, not like the thin and rustic one. I would have used maybe like Brooklyn bread, something that's thicker. But we all learn and live. But this is going to taste very good when it's on the plate. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, there's your supreme thin pizza. This wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. With this crust, it's probably easier to use in the oven or use on the grill. So with this recipe, you know the basics. Just substitute the pizza crust or make your own dough. But you can see that all the stuff came together, and it's still a good treat. Even though this didn't come out as good as I wanted to, it's a really good pizza. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please hit subscribe. I'm going to be ending my pizza week, pizza month, and bringing you other recipes. At times I'll throw in pizza. I really want to make a Hawaiian pizza, but you know the basics of pizzas. Like you can make a supreme, pepperoni, whichever one you want. So peace out. See you soon. Dansoy, amateur cook.